All right, folks, so she sings, she DJs, and she writes her own lyrics. On stage now, she's Ashley Gray. But when the mic's in her hand, she's Adira Truthe. And she's got this, like Omawale. Not like Omawale. Here she's now.
Me got this. See them backstage and me know say them a practice. Don't know me now for the dot com. Me got this. Lyrics on point and key. Me got this. I remember telling her again. Me got this. Me see them backstage and me know say them a practice. Don't know me now for the dot com. Me got this. Lyrics on point and key. I got this. Watch ya. Me are the baddest lyricist in this competition. Metaphor, similes them, well cynical. The way me think rhyme with them. Say me clinical, and when me step in the streets, me left them in a me peripheral. I'm not cartel, but I'll do subtraction. You me I go subtract from this equation. Oxidize it like a chemical reaction. Thought it was class, no, a counteraction. Me got this. See them backstage and me know say them a practice. Don't know me now for the .com. Me got this. Lyrics on point and key. I got this. I'm gonna tell you no again. Me got this. Me see them backstage and me know say them a practice. Don't know me now for the .com. Me got this. Lyrics on point and key. I got this. Watch ya. You coulda search high and low, you're not gonna find nobody like me. Take this thing serious, not take my lyrics lightly. Ask you to give up the crown politely. And anybody want this, lyrically fight me, me got this. See them backstage and me know say them a practice. Don't know me now for the .com, me got this. Lyrics on point and key, I got this. I'ma telling you again, me got this. Me see them backstage and me know them a practice. Me now for the .com, me got this. My lyrics on point and key, I got this. I'ma say, boy, big up the arts empire. To greatness we are inspired. When I say boy, you say watch ya. Me got this.
So you heard her perform earlier, and you probably were surprised when she hit the mic. She DJ'd at the top and showed us she could slow it down after that. Adira Truthe with an E. Well, an E at the end of truth.
Yes.
And she's here. Morning.
Good morning.
Great to meet you.
Thank you. Nice to meet you too.
Adira Truthe.
Yes.
But your name is Ashley Gray.
Yes.
So where is Adira Truthe from?
Funny enough, I chose Adira because it's the Hebrew meaning for strong, and truth with an E because truth is ever changing and ever dependent on where you are in your journey.
So go on to Ashley Gray. Well, you couldn't just say Ashley Gray and not
Ashley Gray is lovely, but Ashley is for, you know, the people who have seen me grow and know me personally. You know, that's a part of me that I won't let go.
Seen you grow?
Yes.
Where you grow, please?
Spiritual. That's the important part.
Why this business? It's a tough business. Why? Some people say it's male-dominated, yes, and even outside that. It's just tough. Why?
People always tell me, go where you feel alive. And this is where I feel alive. This is the air that I breathe. This is all that I think about. This is what I love doing.
Yeah. We've heard you a couple of times, but if we didn't hear and you had to explain your style, what would you say?
My style would be cruising on the highway heading to Puerto Rico with some fish and bami.
Translate that into music.
Into music, you can find something for whatever mood you are in. I am the relatable millennial.
You wrote your first song at 5 years old.
Yes, I did.
Speak the truth with an E.
The truth.
At
Yes.
5?
At 5, yes.
All by yourself?
No, I was actually with my uncle. He was working on an instrumental, and he said, "Actually, test the mic for me." I just started, children, read your book, and it was like, write that down. And, you know, we just continued to work on it until we finished it.
What else is it? Children,
read your book, learn your lesson, don't be no crook. You know the basic stuff.
No, I don't. Go on again.
Education
Yes, I remember
is the
it.
key. That look, yeah.
You have
Don't
performed
be
it?
ordered. No, I have never performed
Why?
it. It's just, you know, that little thing that I've kept close to me.
Yeah.
But I've never performed it before.
As a younger person, I said younger deliberately because you're still young, although you're
Yes.
like a bigger man. But who would you have seen perform or listened to one time and said, no, man, I want to do that? Do you have any, not heroes, I don't like that, that's kind of heavy, but anyone that you looked up to as an entertainer, as an artist?
Yes, I have looked up to for over a very long time. People like Janelle Monáe,
When we look on our local soil, we can see extraordinaires like Louise Bennett, our very own Delia Harris. Just
A good thing that you know, she have money, she will give you something. No, man, no, man.
I just love strong leads and people that show you that anything is possible.
Yeah. You said while we were speaking before you went on that you were writing a script.
Yes.
So you write scripts for what?
I write scripts for my own projects. I write scripts for my students at Linton's Academic Services.
You're a teacher.
Yes, I am.
Right. But you're a student yourself. The teacher doesn't say, me say that about teacher. One thing.
We multitask.
So you want to write a movie one day?
Yes, I do. My aim is to show Jamaica for more than what it is. We are more than sun, sand, and sea.
Yeah.
You know, and I want to show Jamaica that we pack a punch.
No, me know why you big up daily. A friend here, look, you write script for her. Her script them not so wonderful, you know, so she need help. It is great to meet you. I pray that you do what you want. It seems like you're very driven to do what you want.
She's very intelligent.
Yeah, incredibly.
Yes.
Very intelligent.
I said teacher, you teach what?
I teach drama and theatre arts.
She's I forgot Mrs. Grant. I forgot bust her on a TV series on TVJ.
No, you see what I don't like? I am doing an interview here, but she
No,
come
man,
take
yeah,
over, I
man,
think.
yeah, man.
Great to meet
She
you.
not play football. That's why me come in.
She used to play football, so you can stay there.